this is the Ford F-150 MPG test. So I drove 523 miles, still got 130 miles left, and the computer says 25 miles per gallon. It has been adjusted, so through Forescan, or no, not through Forescan, through the menu here, to reflect real MPG. The original MPG was about 2 miles per gallon extra. The computer was showing 2 miles per gallon extra. And that is, of course, I'm filling up at Chevron. So just to be, if someone else wants to try it out, on my Tacoma, every time I filled it up at the Chevron gas station, it would give about 2 miles per gallon extra on the truck itself. But if I filled it up at Costco, it was almost right on. So Costco does not sell diesel, so I can't test diesel over there, and all the diesels around here is on Chevron, so I don't have a option to kind of just fill it up from MT on a different gas station to see if their MPG is different. So I'm just gonna go fill it up and hand calculate it. So it stopped at 20 gallons. So 21.2. Okay, so 523.4 divided by 21.2. 24.6, and it says 25.